Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by loading your timeline and picking a primary shot to match. Open the scopes, waveform for exposure, vector scope for hue, RGB parade for balance, so you can see results, not guess. Next, add a color board and fix midtones, highlights, and shadows. This establishes a neutral baseline. Use small moves, 0, 1 to 0. 5 stops, so you keep natural skin tones. Once done, toggle the clip on /off to check the correction. This helps you know if you improved the image. Now you match shots across the sequence so cuts don't jump. Use the Match Color tool or copy and paste the grade, then nudge adjustments with color wheels to refine shadows, midtones, and highlights. This controls contrast more naturally. If skin tones shift, sample and use a hue/saturation curve or draw a mask to protect faces. Make subtle per-channel saturation tweaks. That preserves saturation balance. Make sure to scrub multiple frames. Lighting can change, and one frame is not the whole scene. Finally, add a creative look. Apply a LUT or use color wheels for a stylized tone, but dial the strength to between 10 and 50% so you retain detail. Use an adjustment layer for global grading and keyframe it to follow scene changes. Once done, check scopes for clipping. If your highlights or shadows clip, pull exposure down and recover with curves or highlights tools. If colors still look off, toggle individual corrections to isolate the issue. That reveals which control needs fixing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.